METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for METATRADER4 and not METATRADER5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you do that. Before you register with any forex brokers, make sure you check them out and see if they are regulated or registered in your area, country or zone before you go ahead to register with any forex brokers. We have a lot of scammer there, and a simple way on how to find out if they are scammer or not is just to Google out their name. Type in their name in the Google search bar and put scam in front of their names. Then you will see a lot of information concerning that particular forex brokers. It is important that you register with forex brokers. And before you take any trade, make sure you check forex news aggregator. It is important so that the fundamental analysis will not affect your trading. Make sure you follow money management. It is important that you follow money management. Trade your setup, your strategy, not what you think. Take emotion out of your trading and trade profitably. I use Forex Factory as my forex news aggregator. You can use other forex news aggregator outside there, but I use Forex Factory and you can use them. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. As I said, this strategy is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on the right platform. And before you go live with any broker, make sure you use their demo account. Use their demo account, test your strategy or your indicator on that demo account. Do not go live, do not deposit any money until you familiarize yourself with your forex trading strategy or indicator. Either you want to trade with your free indicator or paid indicator on your demo account, make sure you check it out on demo account first before you go live. If it is forex signal, either paid or free, make sure you try it out on demo account first on forex demo account. And if it is a paid strategy or paid indicator, make sure you test it out on your forex demo account. Having said that, let us move on to today's strategy. Here on my chart here, I have few indicators that I've combined together to come up with this forex winning trading strategy. And I'm going to show you all the indicators I use, the setting, and I did include my template. Now, the first thing you have to look out for is this order block indicator. This indicator. Make sure you look out for it, and it serves like a support or resistance zone, but it's not a support or resistance zone indicator. This is order block indicator that show you where to place your trade or where the market may likely turn, and that was why I combined other indicators with it. Here I have a channel indicator, this blue color, and this is the middle line, and I have a PTL indicator here, the ball, the yellow ball, and the aqua color with this, and I have other few indicators. I'm going to show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, but let me show you how to use this indicator first, then I'll show you all the forex indicators. Now, as I said, the first thing you have to look out for is this order block indicator, and once you have this and it's giving us a set, this color is for sell signal, where we may likely place a sell signal or a sell trade rather. You can see all the demarcation. It does not disappear after the signal is generated. You have the points where the market may likely turn with this particular indicator. So currently we have signal generated here, it must be at this particular zone for a sell, and we have it here. We have the zone here, we have the star indicator that confirm it, we have the yellow arrow, we have the yellow dot, and here we have a MACD below the zero level. This is a confirmation, and this is going to sell. This is Euro USD on daily time frame. So after you know where the direction of the market is, you can go down to lower time frame and scalp in the direction of the higher time frame if you are a scalper, or if you just want to enter without a lot of drawdown, then you can go to lower time frame and place your trade. And the first take profit you are going to take is at the middle of this particular channel, at the middle of this particular channel, and make sure you trade your profit. So this is how to use this particular strategy. And for a buy, we have at this zone we have a buy signal here. This is other block for a buy trade, and we have the blue star here. It does not repaint. We have the tail indicator, does not repaint when the candle close, and the other arrow indicator does not repaint once the candle close also. So it is important that you follow the indicators. You can combine all the indicators together as I have it on my chart right now, and at this particular point we have all the indicators in agreement. MACD was in agreement at this particular point. All the indicators agree. So this is a buy trade, and it did deliver. Your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low for a buy, and few pips above the previous high for a sell signal, and you ride your trend. It is simple, and you can use it on any time frame you want to trade. This particular strategy can be used to trade forex pair like I have it right now on my chart: Euro USD, Great Britain pounds, USD Japanese yen, Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen, and the likes, as many pair you want to trade. This particular strategy can be used to trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doji, meme coin. You can trade cryptocurrency pair with this particular strategy like a BTC, USD, ETH, USD, Doji, and the likes, as many cryptocurrency pairs you have on your METATRADER4. You can use this particular strategy. This strategy can be used to trade metal like gold, silver, platinum, and the rest. You can use this to trade indices like Nasdaq, US 100, US 30, US 500, as many indices you have on your MT4. And you can trade stocks with this particular strategy like Google stock, Facebook stocks, Amazon, Tesla, and the likes, as many stocks you have on your MT4. Just make sure you follow this simple rule. I have combined good indicators together to come up with this particular strategy. It is free, and the download link is in my video description. Make sure you download it and practice all these on regulated forex brokers. Do not waste your time, as I said, trading on any platform that is not regulated. Make sure your forex brokers or brokers are regulated, so that you will not waste your time, your effort, and money. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy and the settings. If you want to set it up one by one, you can do that. I have a AA lines indicator. This is this channel indicator here. I have a lot of indicator for confirmation, so that we know we are trading in the right direction. And let me show you the value for this indicator, the AA line indicator. This is just the input. You can change it to see the deviation. You can change the bar for fat or bars. You can change it. And the next indicator is the order block indicator. These are the value. You can adjust it or use it as I have it on my chart. You can change the color here. For buy zone, Z zone, you can change it. So this is where you change all the value if you want to alter any of the value here. And the third indicator on my chart is a TMA plus CMG indicator, TMA plus a CG indicator rather. And these are the value that I use. You can change this value, but this is what I have. The Kinashi indicator, this candle, there's nothing to change here except you want to change the color. Then I have the half trend indicator, this arrow, blue arrow, and this line. This is the half length indicator. So these are the values. So you can change or alter any value here, but make sure you know what you are doing. Then this symbol changer. So as many pay you want to watch, then you can add it here. Then the P10 indicator. So I do not need the other color. That was why I turned it off. This yellow ball and the aqua color ball. And these are the value. You can play with this value, this fast length and slow length, but this is what I am using. Then the MACD indicator, and these are the value. Fast EMA is 7, then slow EMA is 13, and the MACD SMA is 2 applied to close. And that is all you need to set on this particular MACD indicator. The MACD comes with your platform, so there's no need to add it. You are not going to see it in the indicator folder. Just make sure you use the default MACD on your platform and enter the setting accordingly. So this is all the indicator I use for this winning forex trading strategy and the trade on regulated forex brokers, as I'm using it on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you register with them. Check them out first in your area before you register. Now let's check other pairs before I end this video. Here is gold on D1, and we are going to have a down move on gold. This is daily chart, and we have all the indicators in agreement. This is a sell zone, and MACD is below the zero value. So this is a good market or pairs to trade right now. So you can trade it on any time frame. Check it out on any time frame you want to. The methodology still remains the same. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do give me a thumb up. That's all I need from you. I do not want to keep this video long. As I said, make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Check Forex Factory before you place any trade, so that you will know that the news is not going to affect your technical analysis. And make sure you follow money management. It is important. If you want to last in this game or in this business, make sure you follow money management. Practice on your demo account on your regulated forex broker. Try out your strategy on the demo account, even including this strategy that I'm giving you for free. Make sure you check it out on your demo account. If you are okay with it, then you can go live. But make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.